Here's a quick tip for you Silkypix users. You can have multiple subcontrols open as floating docks, and these will kind of dock together if you put them next to each other, either on top or bottom or to the left or to the right. You can then move them as a group by left mouse clicking on the left hand side of the name of the title bar here, or you can move them individually by left mouse clicking on the right side and dragging them wherever you want. So left mouse click on the left side to drag them as a group. You can even pick up an extra one, or left mouse click on the title bar on the right hand side to move them individually. Hope this was useful for you. Feel free to leave comments, likes, questions in the YouTube video comment section. Thanks for watching.